Welcome to the vibrant world of macaws. These stunning, intelligent parrots are known for their brilliant plumage and playful personalities. With their bold colors and lively nature, macaws capture the imagination of bird lovers around the globe. Found in the lush rainforests of Central and South America, these magnificent birds are not just beautiful, they're also incredibly smart and social. Macaws are some of the most stunning and intelligent birds in the world. Known for their vibrant colors and playful personalities, they have fascinating characteristics that make them stand out among other bird species. Macaws are large birds with long tails and strong, curved beaks designed for cracking nuts and seeds. Their colorful plumage features shades of red, green, blue, and yellow, which helps them blend into the tropical rainforests they call home. Their wings are powerful, enabling them to fly long distances in search of food. Macaws are highly vocal and use a wide range of sounds to communicate. They can produce loud squawks, screams, and mimic human speech and other sounds they hear. Their ability to mimic makes them popular pets, although they require a lot of attention and care. In the wild, macaws eat fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, and even flowers. They are known to eat clay from riverbanks, which helps them digest their food by neutralizing toxins. In captivity, they need a varied diet that includes fresh fruits, vegetables, and specially formulated pellets to stay healthy. Macaws are extremely intelligent and have excellent problem-solving skills. They use tools, like sticks, to extract insects from tree bark or crack open hard shells. Their intelligence makes them quick learners, able to perform complex tasks and tricks, which is why they are often seen in bird shows. Macaws are social creatures that live in pairs or small groups called flocks. They engage in mutual grooming to strengthen social bonds and communicate through body language, like wing flapping or beak clicking. They are also known to be playful, often swinging from branches and playing with objects. Macaws typically mate for life, forming strong pair bonds. They build nests in tree hollows, where the female lays 2 to 4 eggs. Both parents take part in feeding and caring for the chicks, which stay with them for several months. Macaws can live up to 50 years or more in the wild and even longer in captivity with proper care. Macaws play a crucial role in their ecosystems by helping with seed dispersal. As they eat fruits and nuts, they spread seeds throughout the forest, contributing to the growth of new plants and maintaining the balance of their habitats. Many macaw species face serious threats due to deforestation, habitat loss, and illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their natural habitats, breeding programs, and raising awareness about the importance of these magnificent birds. Macaws have unique adaptations, like their zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward. This toe arrangement helps them grasp branches firmly and manipulate food with great dexterity. Their strong beaks are also an adaptation for breaking tough nutshells. While macaws are popular as pets due to their bright colors and ability to mimic, they are not easy to care for. They require a lot of space, mental stimulation, and social interaction.